We are making a circle skirt. For a circle skirt, we need a radius. To find our radius, we have to divide our waist circumference, divide by 6.28. So don't forget to add your allowance, your zipper allowance. And then we're also gonna need a length plus hemming allowance. So what you're going to do when you fold your fabric, if your radius is 5, you're going to add it to your length. So that is how you're going to fold your fabric. So we'll mark the radius and the length of the skirt. That is why I was showing you the demonstration on the paper, because I knew I might have a problem with the camera. For a puffy skirt, we are going to use a hard tulle fabric. So we are just going to take the main fabric and cut the tulle, but make sure that the tulle is shorter than the main fabric, because we don't want it to show. So I went ahead and took 2 inches out of the hard tulle. So for the lining, we are not going to make it a circle. We are making it an A line. So we are going to mark our hip measurement, waist measurement, hip measurement, and our length, and make sure that the length of the lining is shorter than the main fabric. Because our skirt has a zipper, we are leaving a zipper allowance. So here I'm folding for the back and for the front all at the same time. So the other one is overlapping with 1 inch. So it's our waist circumference divided by 4 and our hip circumference divided by 4. And we are curving, we are just making it an A line. And open the back piece. So what I'm doing, I'm opening the tulle, so that we will be able to insert our zipper. And the main fabric. we are going to join the lining together. So the back piece, we are going to join it with the front piece on the sides. Remember, this is the lining. I'm putting pins to demonstrate where you're supposed to sew. So now when we're done, we are attaching the hat tool to the lining an inch away, because the hat tool is uncomfortable, so it has to be hidden so that it doesn't have to hurt you while you're wearing your clothes. So I'm joining it an inch away from the waistline. Now I'm joining the main fabric to the lining with the tool. So the tool is going to be in between the main fabric and the lining. I hope it's clear. So when you're done, you join your top part of the dress to the bottom part of the dress, or your top and your skirt. After joining, we are going to insert our zipper, and then just make sure when connecting the line with the lining, the tool with the tool, and the main fabric with the fabric, so that everything will flow together. For hemming, I'm using crinoline